We are learning more about a judge's ruling late last week, which effectively shelves civil lawsuits filed by Oxford school shooting victims and their families. Sean Lay is live with the impact of that ruling and the reaction from those families. Sean.
Kimberly, we've been going over this ruling. It is a bombshell ruling impacting victim families suing Oxford school officials. Ben Johnson, the attorney, he's representing a number of these families. We talked to him today about what it means to people looking for accountability.
She ruled that Michigan governmental immunity law applies, and therefore every single person that was related to the Oxford Community Schools, as well as Oxford Community Schools itself, is thrown out of the case. Doesn't even go to a jury trial.
Attorney Ben Johnson breaking down a judge's ruling that dismisses Oxford employees from civil lawsuits for their action or inaction that led up to the Oxford school shooting based on governmental immunity.
Governmental immunity has been utilized in this fashion now for about 30 years of my practice, and it's gotten worse over time. And it is a horrible, I think, unconstitutional law that needs to be thrown out. That's why we're imploring Lansing to take this up and do something with it. And we're going up to the Court of Appeals. And no matter whether we win or lose there, then we're going to go to the Supreme Court after that. So this is round one. But obviously, it's not one that we would have liked or wanted.
Johnson represents several Oxford families who lost a child in the shooting or their child was injured by the gunman. Families who have said facing lawsuits is the only way to hold school officials accountable.
So they're devastated. They called it a gut punch. They called it, the thing that I thought was really hurts my heart the most, Sean, is they describe it as they feel like civil law, civil jurisprudence here in Michigan screwed them.
Back here live, you heard Attorney Ben Johnson saying he's going to appeal this, and ultimately he believes it will go up to the state Supreme Court here for a decision if those Oxford officials or if governmental immunity guys can be dropped in the Oxford case. Meantime, many of those families that Johnson represents are going to be speaking out and giving their reaction to this ruling. Tomorrow morning, we'll have it covered for you. We're live downtown tonight. Sean Lay, Local 4, back to you.
Yeah, okay. Sean, thanks.